In today's video, we are going to see how we can build stunning, clean loop and 3D character hero sections which can be built with the scrolling effect and can sell with $100. So, without wasting of time, let's see. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my first video on YouTube and I'm going to show you how to build a stunning hero section of the website in just 5 minutes without coding knowledge here, without knowing of the HTML, CSS, JavaScript using just AI. Yes, using just AI. So, without wasting of time, I'm going to show you on the screen. But before that, subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. We are going to use three sites for this project or for this hero section. First of all, we are going to use Figma, and second thing is we are going to use ChatGPT, and most important third thing is motion sites dot AI. So this is the Figma, then this will be the ChatGPT for create 3D character, and I'm going to show you how we can create any images as a 3D character for our hero section. And third is motionsites.ai, which will give you the best prompts in free way. On the there are lots of templates which can be we use as a our template, and we can make any changes using our ideas and creativities, so don't worry about it. And we are not going to use same theme or the same character which already they had made. We'll just copy this prompt, or we are going to copy this section. So click on the copy. Okay, and here I'm going to paste this. Okay, and just enter, run this code. Okay, and enter. Okay, till I'm going to show you how we can create 3D animated character using ChatGPT. Okay, it's already I have created, but for you guys, I'm going to show you. Well, this is my image, and I'm going to use this my image, and I will enter the prompt like make 3D realistic chibi character with small body and big face without background without background, and with something rock action. Okay, let's see till let's see in Figma. I think it's already done. Just fetching the code. Okay, it's already done. Perfect. I'm going to show you. It's give same result, the same as they had say show. So that's why the Figma is best. And if we paste the code on cloud, let's show you how it will look. How it will be look. I don't have. Okay, same thing. Paste. Run this code. Cloud AI is best, but for these 3D hero sections, I'm going to recommend you that use Figma to get same result. Here you can see the result. Okay, not bad. We just need to add images. Okay, This way we can use any image as a 3D character. And now I already have made some images and I'm going to use those image for hero section. Okay, this is a mobile responsive, that's the best thing. And here I'm going to add these images, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and we'll give the prompt like use these images for 4 slider in this hero section. Okay, that's it. Okay, this is the same thing, okay, same result as in motion sites. So okay, it's done. Guys, I have only give one line of prompt that use this image for 4 sliders. This is actually slider. Okay, so it's done. Okay, so in this way we can make beautiful things using AI in just 5 to 10 minutes, and it will looks like $100 of website, and we will make it in free way without using 1 rupees and without using 1 rupees. So to learn these things, to learn some more things like this, please subscribe me and click on the bell icon.